Owls are fascinating nocturnal birds, known for their silent flight and piercing hoots. These feathered creatures are part of the Strigidae family, a group of over 200 species, each with their unique characteristics. Owls are found on every continent except Antarctica. They have large, forward-facing eyes that give them a wide field of vision, helping them spot prey in the dark. Their eyes are fixed in their sockets, so they turn their necks to look around, giving them that distinctive, unblinking stare. The primary reason owls can fly silently is due to their soft, fringed feathers on their wings. These feathers help reduce the sound of air moving over their wings, enabling them to sneak up on their unsuspecting prey. Their silent flight makes them excellent hunters, often catching small mammals and birds in mid-air. Owls have a specialized beak structure that allows them to easily tear flesh from their prey. Their beaks have a sharp, curved edge and a flexible, hinged lower jaw. This unique design enables them to tear apart their prey with ease. Owls are also known for their incredible hearing. Their highly sensitive ears are positioned asymmetrically on their heads, which helps them locate the exact position of a sound in space. This auditory prowess makes them excellent hunters, enabling them to zero in on a mouse scurrying through the underbrush. In addition to their hunting skills, owls play a crucial role in the ecosystem. By controlling small mammal populations, they help maintain a balance in the ecosystem and prevent overpopulation. Owls are not just fascinating creatures, they are also symbolic. In many cultures, owls are seen as wise and mysterious. In folklore, they are often associated with wisdom, bad omens, and the night. Owls are a fascinating example of nature's marvels, with their silent flight, keen eyesight, and incredible hearing. These nocturnal birds are not just impressive predators, they are also vital to the ecosystem and have had a significant place in human culture for thousands of years. Their unique characteristics and symbolic meanings continue to captivate us, making them a subject of fascination for people all over the world.